Hey everybody, Lewis here, Rshackbbq and other things. Oh man, whew. It's like 26 degrees out here today. Winter is showing us that it's not ready to leave. Anyhow, I got something I want to show you. It's back over there. It's not going to go in the Rshack testing facility, but it's definitely something that we will be using shortly. Give you a little sneak peek. Anyway, let's go over and take a closer look at it. So, what I got here is a Lonestar Large Insulated vertical smoker. I haven't even opened the doors yet. Just got it unwrapped and kind of did an initial walk by, checking everything out. Oh, yeah. So I ordered this back in August, and here it is the end of February. Actually, it's February 22nd to be exact, and it's shown up. So, yeah, this is their large one. Supposed to be able to do like 12 briskets, 24, maybe it's 16 briskets. I'll have to go back and look at that. 24 pork butts. Amazing amount of ribs and chicken, whole chickens. Does have one little scratch right there. Anyway, if you want to know more about how this was delivered, I'm not happy with the shipping company. This is the third time I've ordered something and it's came in either scratched, damaged, or lost, and even. But it came in and it's workable. So yeah, this key on the bottom is bent. Now I wish Lonestar would put those in packages so they don't get bent like that. It is locked up. What's neat about this is it's got 8-inch casters. I didn't go with the off-road package on it like I did my other Lonestar, just because this actually, the plan is to put this on the back of the concession trailer eventually, and this will be the smoker out there. I'll have to figure out something to do with the stack, but I didn't want the off-road package for it, just because I'm going to put it back there and it's going to sit. But anyhow, I went ahead and got upgraded to get the cart, so it had the shelf on it, and I thought it would be more stable, which it is, which is really nice. I like that. I've got the ball valves, hopefully they're inside there. I have the fireboard control fan system for it. So I did order extra shelving and everything for it. I did get the dividers for the charcoal tray down there, but let's just open it up and see what she looks like inside. Okay, like I said, I haven't even opened this up yet. There should be a piece in here for my offset smoker as well. Okay, so as you can see, I got stainless steel shelving. I ordered extra shelves so I can get more of them. We got your that I think is the reducer for the probe system. Oh, this is the mount. This will thread in, and then this is the mount that hooks up to the fireboard. We'll get that cut off. I did get the water tray. So I thought these shelves were adjustable, but they're not. They're welded in here, which is nice. All right. What I like is that is a heavy door, and it slam closes. I'm gonna take these keys out because knowing me, I'll set them somewhere and forget where I got them. Let's see. We'll unlock that. You can see how badly bent that key is. But let's just see. It should be hopefully numbered the same. So yeah, they are. That key will work down there, so I'm not all that worried about having one key lost. All right. So in here, oh man, that is heavy. How that comes out. Whew. That might take two hands. I'm gonna have to lock the wheels because this one is sliding, which is kind of nice. We'll see here. So this is the ash pan. Oh man, that is heavy. Catches all the ash. That's nice. Oh, I see why this here, it should just, you just got to be stronger than the tray itself. Something here wrapped up. These have got to be the ball valves for it. Nice. So this here is the ash pan, which I should have ordered for my Lonestar offset, and I didn't. I just thought, no, I'll make one. But when I decided I was going to order this, I went ahead and ordered the ash pan for my Lonestar, which I have in the shack. This goes down in the bottom of the firebox, catches all your ash. I highly recommend, if you get an offset, get one of these. It'll help survive. It'll help the life expectancy of your smoker, your firebox. These are what they call their dividers for your charcoal. Put them in there and you can do the snake method with them. Yeah, almost takes 2 hands to pull this open. So as you can see, you can stand these up in here. Enough of them. Wow. I didn't realize it'd come with this many. You can kind of do a snake method for your charcoal. That's kind of neat. So normally I think this comes with 3 or 4 racks, and I ordered the 3 extra. I've heard different things about these dividers. A lot of people don't even use them. We'll see. This nice big charcoal tray, and then we put the drip pan underneath it. It's a lot of weight right there. Yeah. So that's much easier to slide in with all that weight out of it. This other shelf back in here. So now we'll have to figure out how we're going to get our first cook is going to be like 18 pork butts on it for business wise. I'm half tempted to season this thing up and throw a rack of ribs on it, see how she does with ribs. But anyway, and then we'll get the ashtray back in here. Definitely heavy. Slam her close. Very cool. That thing is big. I like it. I like it a lot. Anyhow, yeah. So we'll have to get the ports put on. We'll have to get the ball valves put on. We'll have to get. I'm gonna just use the old PAM cooking spray method. Spray everything down. Get some charcoal in it. Burn her out, and then we'll do an official first cook in it. But this is the Lonestar Large Insulated Vertical Smoker with the side cart and 8-inch casters. I think it comes standard with 8-inch. So, top of it, you got your chimney stack, which rotates, stainless steel. This here is a water port, so you can add more water. Now me personally, I'll probably just put a pan of water in it. That's the way I like to do it. Alright, nice locking casters. Hopefully I would highly recommend 2 people do this. Keep in mind, I am not a professional, so try to do this as straight on as possible. And hopefully we don't tip her over. This was my biggest concern, is this little drop off right here. See, like this one wheel is not even touching. All right, we got her down. Still not touching there, but we are at. Like I said, this is why I went with the cart, just because I thought it would take a lot to move it around. All right, so for now, we are going to put it right up in here. And that'd be funny if I rolled it into the pool. It'd be funny for you guys, not for me. Alright, I'm just trying to get it over this way enough that it's out of the way of the doggies. And we'll lock those wheels into position. That one there, that one there. So you can close one of these off. I'm going to close the top. Actually, if you need to get more air, you can always try another ball valve. Tight there. Same way with the ball valve. Open, close, you adjust it however you want. Then when you run your fan, then you can get wrenches and everything. Something like that. And then your water drain. And then your water drain. Right here. That. That's closed. That's open. All right. Closed off right now. That's how those go. Let's get some charcoal. Let's get some. What I recommend is you can just buy any old brand of charcoal. You don't need to buy your expensive cooking charcoal. You can buy the cheapest brand just to burn it in. But we'll go over and see what it says, how to burn it in, what temp they want you to get it up to. Alright, I wanted to show you one more thing before I start cleaning this out. Show you the size, because this. So what I've done, I've got 2 full-size hotel pans, disposable pans. You can put them side by side like that, or you can put them front to back like that, and the door will still close. That's how bad this thing is. So then you figure, you know. Now what I see here is you can't put one up there. So you're going to have to take this rack out, use this rack. You can move this up use the bottom. So what would you do? Let's just see. What do we do here? So you go like that. Take this one out like that. And this is heavy duty stainless on there. So you can, so you could probably fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. I would say, what are they said you can do 6, 12, 18. They're figuring 6. So they figure 6 pork butts per rack in this method here, which I don't know. Those are pretty tight on there, but we'll see. We'll probably only do 4, 18 at a time, and I think that'll hold it real well. You know, chicken. What can I do for chicken wise? Let me see something here real quick. So I don't use this deep of a pan. If I was to run chicken, and if I was to use a pan, so you could technically set it. I don't have it in the, maybe not, because that's what that is. I disregard what I was just saying. You know, if you were to chicken, so for seasoning, let's put this back down. So we do a lot of chicken thighs, so I would say comfortably we could get maybe 40 chicken thighs on a rack. So 4, 8, 12, 120. So what do I got? I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 racks. 6 times 4 is 240 chicken thighs at a time. Yeah, that's quite a bit. That has got some serious cooking space. And, you know, they say with 2 bags of charcoal, with your fan on there, at 250, this thing's going to run 20, 30 hours. So I can get some sleep. Very cool. Alright, so all we got left to do is get this seasoned up, and I'll do a video of that next so you can see how I do that. But we're looking forward to using this. So, shall we say, thank you for watching. You could do this too. It's not that hard. Till next time, my friends.